Ever feel like your AI art generator is playing a game of visual hide-and-seek with your desired look? Today, we're diving deep into the secrets of maintaining visual sequence in Leonardo Ai, transforming those chaotic generations into a beautifully cohesive visual story. The foundation of consistency lies within your prompts be incredibly specific. Instead of a knight, try a stoic knight in gleaming silver armor, adorned with intricate gold filigree, standing against a dramatic sunset, painted in a hyper-realistic fantasy style. The more descriptive you are about character features, clothing, environment, and artistic style, the better. Don't forget the power of the negative prompt. Tell Leonardo Ai what you don't want. Terms like blurry, out of focus, distorted, or even specific colors you wish to avoid can be crucial in steering your generations towards your target aesthetic. Now, for the secret weapon, the seed. Think of the seed as a unique fingerprint for each generation. By keeping the same seed number across multiple generations, you're telling Leonardo Ai to start from that exact same creative starting point. This is your absolute best friend for character consistency and repeating specific visual elements. When you need to capture the essence of an existing image, a circumflex euros, perhaps a face, an outfit, or a specific texture, a circumflex euros. The image-to-image feature is your go-to. Upload a high-quality reference image and adjust the denoising strength. A lower strength will stick closer to the original, while a higher strength allows for more creative interpretation. Leonardo Ai also offers predefined styles. Exploring and utilizing these can instantly imbue your generations with a consistent mood and artistic flair. Experiment with styles like fantasy art, concept art, or photorealism to see how they influence your results. By combining detailed prompts, strategic negative prompts, the magic of seeds, and the power of image to image, you're no longer just generating art, you're crafting a visually unified narrative. Master these techniques and watch your AI projects transform into cohesive masterpieces. Happy generating!